steamed fish, okra,
Yeah, we got a
fried
restaurant,
plantain.
Sparkadees. Everything's Spark is a brand, so we're just doing Sparkle. You know what I mean?
Yes, shine.
Sparkadees restaurant and lounge. I mean, it's a Jamaican restaurant, of course. We have African food available. You know, but it's just something way. It's just a place. All right, Peg, I think we had this conversation a long time ago. We were talking one time. All of us we were talking about like name some restaurant we can go as a Jamaican restaurant, sit down and eat some food.
Like a
You feel
proper
like
sit down.
like a proper sit down.
Yeah, yeah,
Again, family can bring the kids, can bring the grandmother, can bring the something we
yes,
can go as family and sit down.
yes.
And it was a hard question, right?
I know right now there's three like that are on that level
Right,
of any other
right.
restaurant you would go with your family and you
Yeah,
have a reservation, go sit down and eat. Those kind of levels. Well
yeah,
kept. The food is great.
yeah,
Service is
yeah.
great. You know, top notch.
Right.
Congratulations with all that you
So
do.
I'm just thank you. We're just gonna try. We don't stop trying. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
We don't
Never.
stop.
he's not trying. He's doing. Yeah.
Yes, he is.
See,
Thank you.
modest, humble.
Humble, modest, raised by him
And I must
granny.
say, check out the fish fry every Friday night. It's something to talk about. Trust me.
Fish fry
Every
at
Friday.
Sparkadee Restaurant and Lounge
Um,
every Friday.
Is that Escovitch now? Don't send
yeah.
me out there. Okay. All
Give,
right.
give them
Yeah,
the
man. Then we
address.
got
Give them
this
the address.
3370 Sugarloaf Parkway, Suite D6, Lawrenceville, Georgia. It's right in public park the Sugarloaf and Five Forks.
Sugarloaf
So
and
it's really
Five
easy to
Forks.
find.
Five Forks
Yeah,
Trickle.
it's really
Nice.
Five Forks Chicken and Sugarloaf. Yeah, it's really easy to find.
Right.
You know what I mean? So big up. Before I go, I have to say big up to Rico Vibes because he's the one who actually guided me through this musical journey. Because first of all, you see me, I stammer. Then no people don't know that I stutter.
What? I never know
Yeah.
that. Yeah, okay.
So Rico is the one who actually pushed me more to be on the radio.
Wow.
Because like, big up a radio with stammer, but Rico. So now you can read one. So big up to Rico, man.
Wow. Amazing. I never do. I never picked that up. That you had. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
So
see that. See what good people in the corner can do. Everybody need a friend
Yeah,
to
you
just.
know.
So sometimes just push
Yeah.
them forward. Yeah, man.
Right,
That's
right.
it. That's it. I mean,
So
Sparkle.
Island Eat Show, radio show. Big up on yourself.
Give
Keep
thanks, my
on the
brother.
track and respect
Yourself.
every time.